before you can see, and this is the patches I ordered from Timo. You can use in different ways. If your bra is also like that, by the time when you wash it, the wires come out and then it will prick your body. So this is the easiest way you can fix with this wire, and then your bra is also now ready to wear again. So for this bra you need a small patch. So what you will do is place it on the top and then apply heat on it, and then after, when you apply heat on it, it will stick with the fabric, and it is waterproof and it will not come out. And I try to also repeat, so it was stuck with it and it will not come out. As you can see, I am trying to peel and it's not coming off. So then after that I applied heat on it again. After that I placed it on the other side and I covered both holes where the wire is coming out. So now the wire part is closed and it will not come out again, as you can see that. When you applying heat, make sure that don't put high temperature heat on the fabric. If it's a very sensitive fabric, make sure you place it on the top fabric or parchment paper, so it will not burn the fabric. I am making sure now that it stick with the fabric. So as you can see that it has really strong grip, and it's now attached, but I still applied heat on it again and make sure that it stick well, and it will not come out. But this is waterproof and this is the after result.